Introducing the Homeguard HG3000, the newest in PSA smoke alarm technology. The Homeguard HG3000 is a mains-powered photoelectric smoke alarm that operates on a 240-volt AC power source with a 9-volt battery backup. It has the ability to function as a standalone unit or in an interconnected system connecting with up to 24 units. It uses photoelectric sensing technology, which does not contain any radioactive material, and a built-in insect screen to completely protect the sensor chamber. The HG3000 is easy to install with large cable terminals, can be easily and suitably placed on a ceiling or wall, and has an easy slide base plate. The unit has an anti-tamper feature to prevent the smoke alarm from being removed from the base. The single, easy-to-use test and hush button allows for simple use to test the alarm and silence any nuisance alarms. The HG3000 has a green LED to indicate mains power and a red LED to indicate an alarm and status. The HG3000 smoke alarm complies with the latest product standard AS 3786-2014 and is active fire listed with a 5-year warranty. Built and designed to meet Australian conditions, the HG3000 is even more resilient to electrical interferences and power fluctuations. For more information about the HG3000 or to find out more about our products, visit psaproducts.com.au